How to autofill a serial number in Excel. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can autofill a serial number in Excel. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to enter the first cell. Now in order to autofill, what you have to do is select this cell. Now navigate to this top section and on the home tab, click on this field drop down. From here, you have to click on series. Now once you're here, first of all, select column and make sure that you have checked on linear here. Here it says step value 1, and now you have to enter your preferred stop value. For now, I want to fill up these cells up to the 100. So I will just enter 100, and once you're done, click on OK. And there you go, you have all the cells filled up in the sequence up to 100 from 1 to 100. So that's how you can do autofill series in Excel, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.